Hello everyone, welcome back to Pigeon. Today is second part of preparation for tournament, and today is the day to pluck their wings. If their wings will be not come in the tournament, then it will be very disadvantage for us. So we will pluck their wings by checking their wings first, and only plucking their wings. First we need to catch these pigeons and see their wings. There are 10 main feathers which we will mainly focus in that. If that wings are broken and that wings are not coming, I think we will need to pluck that wings, because that feather is very important for flying them in tournament. So we need to check carefully, then pluck. Okay, now I will start to pluck their wings by checking. I will show you how I pluck their wings. We don't need to pluck the pigeon's wing, which pigeons are weak. So we will see first which pigeons are not weak, then only we will pluck that. Okay, now we will continue to catch that and show you. See here, this is my Kasni female. I will show you her wing. See this wing number. From here we can count here, from this part. This is number 1, this is number 2, and like that there are 10 wings. And in number 8, here is number 8, and in number 8 you can see, and in number 8 it is arriving small feather, you can see. And this 9 number and this 10 number is not already gone, so we need to pluck this number 8 and number 9 and number 10, because for tournament these 2 feather will not come, and this will be very bad for pigeons in flying. So in another wing also same situation, number 8 is coming and this 2 will not come in for tournament, so we need to pluck these 2. And first we need to see all feathers. If their other wing are damaged, we need to pluck that other damaged wing also. So this is not damaged, you can see all are fine. And we will now, I think I need to pluck these 2. How to pluck? Now I will show you how to pluck. Now I will show you how to catch this pigeon, then pluck that wing. First we need to, if you are alone, we need to, there are many methods of taking this feather out. First I need to pluck these 2, number 9 and number 10 only. So I will show you how to pluck this 2 like this, open. Then from here, this part to this part, you need to catch like this tightly, hold this tightly. Then you need to catch this, then pluck out this, then pluck out. Now I will show you another. Do same. First catch here in this part, so that pigeon will not feel pain. Catch tightly, then pluck this out, then this also, pluck this out. Okay, now the process of plugging these 2, I have already plucked this. Now I will show you catch another pigeon. I have only plucked 4 wings, so it will not take too much time to come this wing. I will show you that process also. How can we remain pigeon healthy in this plugging process also. Now I will show you another pigeon. Now this is my Kagzi female. Now I will show you this female. First we need to check their wings. Her feather is not in the process of removing, so we will check if the wing is damaged, then only we will take out that wing. I am seeing here and I found that one wing is damaged, and that is number 7 number here. It is damaged, so I think this wing will also doesn't help to fly for tournament, so I will plug this number 7 also. I will show you another method of plugging. First I will catch this female pigeon and keep her in my leg and catch this, and we will open her wing, then to hold tightly like this. Hold tightly like this. Now this is number 7 number. I will catch tightly, then plug this out. Now I am going to plug this male section. Plug this male section wings. I was plugging yesterday of female section. Yesterday I have not plugged this male section. You can see. Yesterday I have not plugged this male section because yesterday was little bit of cold climate, and if we will plug that wings in cold climate, then pigeons may feel little weakness. So today is sunny day. Here there is sunlight. So today I am going to cut this, plug these wings of these pigeons. They are all males. There are about 32. There are about 32 male. Okay, now I will plug this male pigeon's wing. Let's continue with that now. I have cast this Kasni male. This is male. See his wing. He is in the process of this number 8. This small one you can see here. Number 8 process, and this wing also in this. This is a small one, number 8. So we will not pluck this. If we will pluck this out, blood may come out from their wing. So it is a big problem for flying pigeons. So we need to pluck this number 9 and number 10 only. These all are new wing, so I will not plug this new wings. I will just plug only number 9 and number 10. Okay, I will cast like this wing. Cast like this, then I will plug. Now I will plug this number 9 and number 10. First catch like this, catch like this, then one wing, plug out, and another wing, plug out. Now see, I have plugged out 2 wings. Now I will leave here. Now I will catch another pigeon. Now I have this black head one tauke male. I have already checked these wings. No damage in right one. No damage. So now in left wing there is damage of these two, number 9 and number 10. You can see this wing is broken. This and this wing is already broken. So this will also very bad. This is also very bad for pigeons in flying. So I need to plug this number 10 and number 9. So I will plug now this. Catch like this nicely. Now I will show another process. Like first hold like this, then open wing, then plug these two. Now you can see like this. Now I will check each pigeon and plug this all pigeons wing. Okay. Okay everyone, I have already plugged all pigeons wing. They are all male. Yesterday I have picked up females. Here, this much wings. Today I have plugged this much feathers. In this time tournament, I am mainly focusing on Salety breed. Let's see what result will they give us. Many types of Saleties are there, and mainly Saleties. I am focusing mainly in Salety. Then in Kagzi, this white pigeons. Let's see what result will they give us. And I have not plucked one pigeon's wing because I am going to keep it in breeding process. This one. This is my part 2 for preparation for tournament. I have plucked all pigeons wing like this by checking each one. So not only this much, I have altogether other pigeons also in this loft. In this loft also I need to see first their wings, then I will pluck it. Okay, thank you for watching everyone. I hope you like my videos. After plugging these wings, we need to give them good quality of diet. Then we need to give vitamins, minerals, calcium, like that, many things. I will make these videos in next part 3. So please stay tuned. I will be making all series like this. This is part 2. After this, in another video, I will show you how to make food for these pigeons. Then I will show you how to make drink for these pigeons. Thank you for watching everyone. I hope you like my videos. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Pigeon.